In this video, I'll show you how to delete all contacts from Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Once you are on the Audience section, it will automatically show you the list of all of your contacts. Now, before we delete all of our contacts, I do suggest that you export this contacts first. Now, in order for you to do that, at the top of the table, head over to the right-hand side and click on the second option, which is Export Audience. Once you do that, simply head over to this pop-up. At the bottom in the right corner, click on Export CSV. And once you do that, head over to the bottom, click on View Export History. And once that's done, head over to the right-hand side on the Action section and click on Download. Once you click on Download, you will now have a copy of all of your contacts. Now, the next step is to delete all of them. So on the left-hand side, head over back to the Audience section. And from here, you want to head over to the table. On the left-hand side, click on the checkbox. In here, it will select all of the contacts that are on this table. In order for you to select all of them, on the right-hand side of this message, click on the hyperlink to select all of your contacts. Once you do that, it will automatically select all of your contacts. And in order for you to delete them, at the top bar, head over to the right-hand side, click on the three dots for more actions. And at the bottom, click on Delete. Once you do that, a pop-up will show. From here, it will still consider, or it will still ask you if you are sure, since it is recommended to archive them first before you delete them. And if you are sure, head over to the first option and click on this checkbox in order for you to permanently delete for compliance reasons. Make sure that you do not check anything from archive, since it will archive these contacts. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Continue to Delete. Once you do that, you want to confirm by simply stating I understand, and at the bottom, simply type permanently delete capitalized. Once you have confirmed, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on permanently delete. And once you do that, it will automatically clear the list of all of your contacts. You might still see a few of our contacts, and the reason for that is it is still ongoing. It will be sent into a queue. Once it's done though, then it will automatically delete all of your contacts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.